2024 was supposed to bring clarity. Instead, it brought mystery. The James Webb Space Telescope revealed galaxies too old, too massive, and too bright to exist so early after the Big Bang. Radio telescopes captured signals repeating with mechanical precision. And deep in interstellar space, something is pulling our galaxy toward a region we still can't see. Each discovery was meant to answer questions. But every answer only led to more confusion. Here are 7 space discoveries from 2024 that scientists still can't explain, and why they might change our understanding of reality itself. In March 2024, astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope found a quasar called J0148+060, so massive it shouldn't exist. This object appeared just 700 million years after the Big Bang, yet it contains a black hole over 10 billion times the mass of the Sun. That's physically impossible under current models. Black holes can only grow so fast, limited by the Eddington rate, where radiation pressure balances gravity. To reach 10 billion solar masses in that short time, it would have had to grow 10 times faster than physics allows, without stopping, since the dawn of time. Harvard astrophysicist Dr. Fabio Paciucci summarized it best. Either our understanding of black hole formation is wrong, or these objects formed through an entirely new mechanism. Some scientists now suspect these black holes didn't form from collapsing stars at all, but from direct collapse of primordial gas clouds. Others think we're missing a piece of early universe physics entirely. Whatever the answer, J0148 defies everything we thought we knew about how the universe began. In June 2024, the SETI Institute detected something unprecedented, a fast radio burst repeating with clockwork precision. Named FRB 2020612A, it pulsed exactly 37 times over 18 hours. Each burst lasted 214 milliseconds, repeating every 1.74 seconds, precise to the microsecond. No natural source behaves like this. Its frequency pattern wasn't random noise. It showed structured harmonics, mathematical intervals, as if encoded. Dr. Sophia Sheikh, who led the analysis, said, "We cannot rule out natural causes, but the structure demands serious investigation. The source lies 3 billion light-years away in the constellation Virgo, with no visible galaxy around it." Some scientists think it's a new type of magnetar. Others whisper, techno-signature. Whatever it is, it's rewriting what we know about cosmic radio phenomena. In September 2024, a massive star simply vanished. No explosion, no trace. The red supergiant N6946-BH1, 25 times the Sun's mass, was expected to end in a brilliant supernova. Instead, it flickered, then disappeared. Webb and Chandra both confirmed, no debris, no radiation, nothing. The only explanation left is direct collapse, a failed supernova where a star's core implodes straight into a black hole. But even that should leave an X-ray afterglow. It didn't. Dr. Christopher Kochenek from Ohio State University said, "This star disappeared more completely than any model predicts. Something fundamental is missing in our understanding. How many other stars have died this silently, unseen, unrecorded, leaving behind invisible black holes across the universe?" In August 2024, the Meerkat Radio Telescope in South Africa discovered a massive supercluster of galaxies hiding behind the Milky Way in the so-called zone of avoidance. It's called ZA-CL-01, containing over 50,000 galaxies and stretching hundreds of millions of light-years. It's one of the largest structures ever found. Even more shocking, it's pulling the Milky Way toward it at nearly 600 kilometers per second. For decades, scientists thought the Great Attractor explained our galactic motion. Now it seems ZA-CL-01 is part of an even larger, hidden gravitational complex. Statistically, such a massive cluster this close to us shouldn't exist. Either our models of cosmic structure are wrong, or the universe is more uneven than we believed. October 2024, NASA's Curiosity rover detected methane on Mars, rising and falling every day, like a heartbeat. At night, levels spike. By day, they vanish. This cycle has never been observed before. Methane breaks down quickly, so something must be producing it right now. Geological reactions? Possibly. Microbial life underground? Maybe. Dr. Chris Webster, Curiosity's lead scientist, said, "We can't rule out biology. The pattern is unlike any known geological process. If life exists beneath Mars's surface, this may be its first breath reaching us." In 2024, the Euclid Space Telescope began mapping dark matter using gravitational lensing. The results stunned physicists. In several regions, gravity was stronger than visible matter could account for, as expected with dark matter. But in one region, called Sector E12, there was no detectable matter at all, not even dark. Something was bending light without mass. No particles, no energy fields, nothing. This contradicts both Einstein's relativity and quantum field theory. One theory suggests we might be seeing the edge of a cosmic domain wall, a relic boundary between regions of the universe formed under different physical laws. If true, it would mean the observable universe isn't uniform, and that other versions of physics might exist beyond that invisible wall. Astronomers using the Vera Rubin Observatory found something extraordinary: a cluster of rogue planets drifting freely through space, unbound to any star. At least 70 of them, each roughly the size of Jupiter, moving together like a ghostly caravan. Normally, rogue planets are scattered individually after being ejected from solar systems. But this cluster moves in formation, as if it formed together. No known model explains this. Some theorize a failed mini-galaxy that never ignited. Others think it's the remnant of a shattered star system, torn apart by gravity. Either way, this dark flotilla drifts through interstellar space, silent, invisible, and unexplained. Why we can't explain them? Each of these discoveries pushes against the limits of human understanding. We lack data. We can't reproduce the conditions. And maybe, just maybe, we're touching the edges of new physics. The early universe may have operated under laws we don't yet comprehend. Dark matter and dark energy may not be particles at all, but manifestations of geometry or higher dimensions. Each mystery is a doorway, not a dead end. 2024 didn't solve the universe. It reminded us how little we know. Quasars too big to exist, signals too precise to be random, stars that die without a sound, galaxies pulling us from the shadows, and planets wandering through the dark. These are not failures of science. They are the frontiers of discovery. Every mystery today is the foundation of tomorrow's understanding, because the universe still has secrets, and we're just beginning to uncover them.